so it has been quite some time now since I have filmed. I'm in super chill mode, didn't wear any makeup. I haven't been really in the mood to wear makeup lately. I don't know if it's like the cozy winter vibes, but all I've been wanting to do is chill out, have my hot cocoa or coffee, watch Christmas movies, Hallmark Christmas movies all day, and just call it a day. But yeah, anyways, I decided to get my toes and my mani and pedi today. I just wanted to do a little self-care. It's important to do some self-care to yourself while you are, in my case, stressed with finals. It's finals week. To those of you who are in school, if it's finals week for you, good luck. Kill all of your finals and kick ass. I posted a poll on Instagram of if you guys wanted to see a hair routine that I've been doing. It's been working for me. I will be showing you guys that in this video as well. I figured why not make it like a 2-in-1, you know, like a self-pamper day. So I am going to go into my mani and pedi appointment right now, and I will see you guys afterwards. I honestly do not want to be on camera in there. I just want to chill out and just enjoy my time. But yeah, so if you're new, hi, my name is Amber. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for following me along this journey. And let's get straight into this pedicure. Okay, bye. I'm late. Okay, so I just got finished with my nail appointment. I have white with like a little, I don't know. I come up with my own little concoctions of like what I want to do with like my designs on my nails and stuff. But it's like a white with like a, I don't know if you guys can see, it's not focusing. No. There you go. White with like a gold little stripe. Looks like a cross in a way on my ring finger. I did it on the other one too. But yeah, I got white gel nails on my toes. It feels really nice to pamper yourself and basically have a little spa day for yourself. Do it yourself or nobody will. Capiche. But now I'm going to go home and make myself a coffee, do some studying, and get some homework done. I have a lot of studying to do. It crept up on me, and papers to write, and then homework. I'm so excited to basically go on break because it has been a crazy stressful quarter. And for those of you, like I said, who are in finals, you guys know what I'm talking about. The week prior to finals and going up to finals is a shit show. But yeah, so enough of the chatting. Let's get home so I could do some hair care. I'm gonna do a hair mask. I'm gonna do a face mask. It is my day today and I am taking full advantage of it. So yeah, I'm gonna start driving and I will see you guys when I wake my coffee, probably. Okay, bye. Okay, so it is the next day. I have my little coffee right here. You guys, it is not a complete day without my coffee. I posted this cute little like coffee mug on Instagram on my story. I got it from Victoria's Secret and it says runs on coffee. That screamed my name. Right when I saw it, it screamed my name. So I'm gonna be doing a hair mask. Usually with my hair masks, I try to do it when my hair is dry. Somehow, I don't know, it works for me. If it doesn't work for you, you can try it with your hair wet. But this is actually going to be my first time trying this today, and it's the Inspired by Nature Color Care Mask. This is specifically, I was actually talking to the girl when I was looking for a hair mask, and she was saying this is specifically for color treated hair. And being that I recently colored my hair, I've been trying to aim towards like more vegan, organic, like products that don't have all of those like nasty GMOs and parabens. So I have my own different methods, but I sometimes start out with running it on my ends, and then I'll just section it and go through each section, and I'll just put the hair mask on. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm just going to fast forward this part. Okay, so I just finished with putting the rest of the hair mask on. I'm just gonna let it marinate and sit. I really focused today on my tips of my hair, or my ends of my hair, because I feel like when I have blonde hair, like blonde highlights in my hair and any color treated hair across the board, it really dries out your hair to begin with. It's moisture. Sometimes it causes breakage. So to prevent that, like I said, I like to do masks probably twice a week. So usually I'll try to like set aside days to do my mask, but this one says to do it for 5 to 10 minutes. Another tip I do that I would suggest is to do it for 2 minutes over the recommended use. So if it says like for this one 5 to 10 minutes, I do mine for 12, so it's already been 3 minutes. So I have 9 more minutes left. Now, because it's a little self-care day or week, I'm going to be doing the Palladio Happy Healthy Hydrated Moisturizing Mask. It has bilberry, ginger, coconut water. It's this one, and I've posted it before on my story on Instagram. I love this stuff. I recommend 10 out of 10. So I'm going to put this mask on and fast forward this part because I don't want to bore you guys. So mask with me. Okay, so as you can see, it is marinating on my face, sinking in all the dryness, and it's gonna get all moisturized. But I am going to keep track of this one. It says about like 10 to 20 minutes. This one is also 2 to 3 times per week. Sorry, I'm like all up in your guys' face. Let me scoot back a bit. But yeah, for this one, I feel that because it's winter time, it ranges from like fall to winter time. My skin changes tremendously in the fact of it gets super dry. My moisture isn't really all there compared to like summer, because of course you're out in the sun, you're getting oil on your face that produces out of your skin. And this one is instant hydration with a combination of, like I said, coconut water is huge when it comes to skincare, coconut oil, bilberry ginger, and it helps with hydration, moisturization, restoration, replenishment, and it improves your skin tone. This one I actually like because you could also use this as a sleeping face mask. I was really shocked, but yeah, it says it results into like healthy glowy skin, and it gives you just like such a healthy glow, and I am all for that. So I'm going to let this all settle into my face and my hair and let it marinate, and pause. Let me show you guys the different types of hair and conditioners and shampoos that I use. Okay, so like I said, I'm all about the color treatment products, color care products, and to help with giving my blonde streaks in my hair, as you could see, it's like a ash blonde. I use the blonde enhancing shampoo and conditioner. This one is by Ion, and it's specifically for people with blonde highlights, blonde hair, and it's these two right here. I like these because, like it says, it nourishes and refreshes, intensifies blonde hair without washing the hair color deposit out. And it is filled with coconut oil, and it smells, it smells so good, you guys. It literally smells like coconuts. The next one I use is the Nexxus New York Salon Care shampoo and conditioner. This one I also like. It's for color treated hair. You don't specifically have to have blonde hair for this one. This one is a protein infused shampoo. It has elastin protein and green caviar. And this is for normal to dry hair. Again, because my hair kind of tends to get dried out when I have color treated hair, when I have color in my hair, I want to keep it as healthy as possible. And I run out, but I usually use the Monat hair shampoo and conditioner on top of the hair mask. And if you don't know what Monat is, it is basically a pure vegan, paraben free, no like GMOs and all of that nasty stuff. It doesn't have any of that in their products. Clean beauty is what I love, and that's what they're all about. So with that one, you could take like, it's cool, like you could take like hair quizzes that specifically have products for your hair type. So yeah, like I said, here is the lovely bottles that I use from Nexxus line. And enough of my chatting and talking. I'm going to let this, like I said, marinate, and I will see you guys after I get out of the shower, and I'll show you guys the different steps of what I do for my hair, of like the styling products, hair serums, all that jazz. So see you guys after. Okay, so I am now going to be doing my skincare. I've done a video before. I will link it down below in the description box of my skincare, my updated skincare routine. But I'm going to be putting these lovely products on my face, and I feel like you guys have seen me do this so many times, so I'm going to fast forward. Okay, so now onto my hair. I'm going to be using the Ion illuminating cream. It's the lightweight smoothing and Shine for silky soft hair. It's amazing. It smells so yummy. Usually after I get straight out of the shower, I always apply like some type of hair serum and some type of hair cream to my hair, because that helps with the moisturization of everything, and it locks in all the moisture. That's another hair tip. Also, usually I'll let my hair air dry, and when I put on these products, I'll try to apply it on the tips of my hair, on the ends of my hair, I should say. So this I definitely recommend if you're looking for a styling product. You could use this after you get out of the shower and before styling on dry or wet hair. So I'm going to be using just a small dot of the Beyond the Zone Smooth Criminal Hair Serum. And I try to apply this on my ends. Like I said, you don't want to use too much. I only use like a penny size, not even a penny size amount. Because if you put more, like a large amount of this product, it'll definitely like make your hair all gunky and gross. Then after I just like brush through all the product that I just put on my hair and make sure that it's all brushed through. Okay, so this is going to be it for today's video. I put my hair in a little bun, my little China bun. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it. I wanted to come on here and show you guys my hair care routine, being that, like I said, I put a poll on Instagram. You guys wanted to see it, so I was like, of course I'm gonna do it. But I'm going to just be lounging around the house, doing homework all day, the rest of the day. Finals week, hashtag hell week. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one.